We introduce ourselves as Lubi Industries LLP, a leading manufacturer of pumps, motors, valves, solar, electronics, and other electronic automation products. We have 10 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities spanning over 8 million square feet. We have a brilliant and dedicated team of over 4,000 employees, which makes Lubi what it is today. We have been manufacturing and exporting valves since the past 25 years. However, we have recently introduced a new range of valves specially for the Indian market. Our strength is that most of the processes of manufacturing valves is being done in-house. This helps us attain a good quality product with reasonable pricing in a minimum period of time. The design and engineering of our valves is being done keeping in mind the design standards and calculations required for safe and sound operation of the product. We have 2 state-of-the-art foundries running on high-pressure molding lines with an overall capacity of producing and supplying over 2,000 tons per month of castings. We have 2 machining divisions having automated machineries for processing the machined castings with high accuracy and precision. We have robots in place for obtaining a good overall effective efficiency where mass production is required. For keeping up to the quality standards of the product, our machined castings are randomly inspected using a CMM which has a dimensional accuracy of 2.6 microns. We have a rubber molding machine to mold wide variety of materials such as EPDM, nitrile, Viton, silicone, and many more. We use this machine for molding various components which go into the soft-seated valves, such as sleeves, wedges, etc. Our cast iron and cast steel valves are CD-coated for long life and better corrosive resistance. We also have the facility to powder coat our products if the customer requests the same. All of our valves are assembled under the supervision of our experienced production and quality supervisors to ensure optimum quality and performance without sacrificing anything. Our valves are 100% inspected and tested to ensure that no customer faces any issue while using our valves. We have various testing setups for carrying out shell and seat pressure tests hydrostatically as well as pneumatically. All of our products are stored in a central warehousing facility, from which they are dispatched directly for quick deliveries.